I thought it was not gonna rain today. I might have to get home. Hurry, let's get inside. Close the door. Let's get inside of my room. Come on, baby. You have to get... Why wasn't those closed? Come on, let's go put you to bed. You're just gonna keep doing that. Oh my gosh, what the heck just happened? Sorry. Here, let's figure... Let's turn that off. Okay, we turned off already. Oh my gosh, your dad should be home soon. It's just that he was at work late today. Let's get undressed. Oh wait, let's okay, let's put this right here. Now let's get undressed. Okay, we're done. Let's go grab the kids from school. Or actually, he's gonna be here right now, so let's just go over to to the kids' room and let's see what the room looks like right now. Because I'm gonna fix the rooms before they get home. Okay, let's go. Well, this is out. I bet Nyla was probably playing with this, so let's put it away. But I don't know if she's gonna get mad at me, so let's just put her stuff here on her bed. And let's put this right there. Okay, let's see her room. Let's see. Okay, her pet fish is not feeded yet. I told her she had to always feed it. But it is looking kind of empty, so we're just gonna let her do that. But yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, oops, I forgot to grab her. Put her food back. There you go. Let's just wait for them to come back from school. And he's supposed to come back from his work. Okay, let's see what, and let's watch this. Whoa. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that. Okay, well, so we're here. I need to do a little bit more. Oh, hi. Hi, Gerald. Hi. So, yeah, you can go help me out. Okay, bye. Oops, I forgot. I have to go pick up Nyla and Kate. Okay. Oh, here you go, sir. I guess we can pick up Nyla and Kate. Oh, wait. Let's go. What should I say? Sorry, guys. So I forgot to do the house. Like, it wasn't like, wait. Oh my gosh, I need to figure out this. We're Derby. Just pretend these are backpacks. Don't worry. Wait. Okay, guys. So you guys gotta go home. Let's see if I'm gonna go see if your parents are outside. Let's see. Oh, jeez. Let's go get the kids out. Hurry up. Kids, hurry up. Your parents are waiting. Well, bye. Well, bye, Nyla. Wait. Bye, Nyla. Bye, Bella. Oh my gosh, I forgot her name. Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna make a name that I don't like, but like, I guess I have to name it for. Bye, Nyla. Bye, Emma. Actually, I like that name. I was about to call her Emily, but bye, Emma. Bye, my Nyla. Bye, Emma. Bye, Kate. My parents. Oh, dang. We have to go. We have to go. Come on. Let's go. Sorry, Mommy. It's okay. Let's go. Sorry, Daddy. It's okay. Come on, kids. Let's go get in the car. Let's go get in the car. Guys, I meant to say, let's go get your sister, Mia. Wait. Why is she not outside yet? Oh, I'm sorry. I have to go. My parents are finally here. Well, not my parents, but she's still here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Sorry, guys. I probably did all that accident. Oh my gosh, wait. I can forget. Sorry, your dad. Yeah, let's go get in the car. Let's go home. Knock, 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 knock. Hurry, hurry, open this door. OMG, they're home. Let's go hurry. Oh. Guys, I'm so sorry. It's so cold out there. Well, you guys need to get changed. Let's go, come on. Let's go, hurry up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, what the heck? Let's go, come on, come on, come on. Well, I gotta get to my room, so. Okay, hurry up. So I gotta get changed, so. Well, yeah, this is what I got. Wait. Okay, well, I actually had to fix it. Cause yeah, this is really PJs. Now let's brush. Let's brush my teeth. Where's my toothbrush, bro? Oh, it's right here. Why do I have to? Okay, yeah, guys, I don't know why I have toothbrushes, but two toothbrushes. Yeah, I clean my teeth a lot. Ew, there's literally water there. So, I guess I don't know. Wait. Okay. I'm so tired. Let's put it out. Okay, well, let's get dressed. You guys can't see, but bippity bop, boo. Yeah, we got changed. Let me put this back in our cabinet. The horn. Okay, that's done. Do you want to get a snack? Yeah, sure. Oh my gosh, okay. I want. What the heck is this? Let's just put that. I want cheesy bun. Here, Kate. Hey, I already ate it. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. Hey, go brush your teeth, you dusty. You don't brush your teeth every day, though. Ooh, I love butter. So yummy. What did you just eat? I ate gummy bears, so I get both. Okay, where did our teeth brush go? I'm gonna have to get the magic one again. Oh my gosh. Okay, go grab your magic one. What the frick? Okay, let me grab my magic one. It will help us, don't worry. Beep 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 boo. Try to find our, what are they called? Two bitty boo. It didn't fix that, but I guess we could still brush your teeth. But, let me put, let me put it back in the cajon. Okay. Can you close? Okay. You better be getting ready. Mom, how can you scream? Okay, I'm not gonna ask you that. Hey, get out of my toilet. Hey, but it's mine. Hey, but I'm wearing white today. But I'm not wearing green. Grab your blue too, but hey, I don't want blue. Right. There, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. We've been dancing for so long. Yeah, I'm going to bed. I love him. So I think the kids are already asleep because I can't hear them anymore. Yeah, they probably are asleep. So, good night, babe. Good night. Good night, Liam. Good night. I forgot you guys are watching. Yeah. Well, so that is that. Okay, you could go to bed now. Well, that is that another role play. I'm really sleepy. Oh, let's move that back. Well, yeah, we had some technical difficulties today, and so that is the end of the role play. Bye. Yeah, bye.